Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rizky Naramansyah. My role as the Minister of Opposition. Our motion is, discuss belief separatist movements in Eastern Indonesia, for example, Republik Merdeka Selatan, Organisasi Papua Merdeka, Gerakan Sulawesi Merdeka, should unite, take arms, and conduct a violent revolution, separate from the Republic of Indonesia. Closing opposition, regret and sympathize with the fact they are violence and oppression, thus against some in Eastern Indonesia. You say we have not been there to begin with. On closing opposition, we're not going to remain silent. What we say, we should pursue, make sure what they attend accountability, things like investigation or justice reformation, and governments of Indonesia should enact any process to prevent future crimes. But we believe in closing opposition, that conducting violent means will not make things any better to our brothers and sisters in Eastern Indonesia. To the contrary, it will only lead to more oppression and suffering to them. So, what is the stand and the alternative closing opposition offer in this debate? Firstly, unlike opening opposition, we would rather the separating movement to stay within Indonesia. Secondly, in regards to violence and operations, any movements should pursue diplomatic and political approach to government of Indonesia. The end goal that approach would be things like reformation of system, expurgation for accountability, or the best scenario, more regional autonomy for some Eastern Indonesia would be similar to movement in Aceh. I would like to explain two things in my speech. Firstly, I would like to start explaining why our different stance in this debate, not pursuing any separations, is mean more separatic and make more pragmatic. And secondly, why putting yourself in opposition as enemy of state harm to achieve peace and prosperity in Indonesia. So firstly, the argument about efficacy of repression is dubious. Firstly, because even create any fight attack, in the end there's a wide gap and opportunity differences in terms of armament. No matter how big they are injured, bigger guns and other bigger weapons come to government of Indonesia. Firstly, unlike successful. Secondly, what closing government newly introduced is coordinated attack. We agree about this idea, but having a massive coordinated attack comes at the post-attack the exposing plan to our intelligence body. And we say that our intelligence body is relatively doing good job. It's the reason some example the attack of one war, attack of terrorism happening in Jakarta and Solo was exposed and it's not religion. So it's unlike it would be a successful attack and the understatement terminology.